Painting is my reprieve. It's the story of a teen from Falmouth, Trelawney, who is not only on a mission to make her name in the creative industry, but is saving every penny she earns to make her dreams come true. More in this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope.
Zoya Watson is a 19-year-old creative, and everything she touches turns into a work of art. Zoya, who is currently studying architecture and construction at the Montego Bay Community College, says among the many things she can do, like drawing, writing books, making clothes, and doing hair and nails, painting is her favorite. For her, it's a form of escape.
Growing up, I usually, if I am sad, angry, I usually draw. People write to get rid of pent-up emotions, but I usually draw. So when I draw, I just get lost and I just draw my feelings.
It's something she hasn't done in years due to being busy with school. But with encouragement from her friends and the family, Zoya was not only able to revive the skill, but also monetize it.
From me to that, everybody start love the painting, ask me to do something for them. I really enjoyed the customers' reaction more than mine.
Zoya, who is inspired to replicate images which reflect her ethnicity and events in society, says it gives her a sense of peace. Her aim is to one day make her name in the creative industry. It's why she wants to invest every dollar she earns towards making that dream a reality.
I am actually saving to buy a laptop for school, and also I am saving to go to university.
Wanting to take the pressure off her family, Zoya says that selling her art will help her to be independent.
I know university is going to be very much expensive. I am at an age where I sit down and I really have to look at certain things. Some say, all right, why not just use it for something good? Some say, I just will start save up an account and just whatever I make, profit, I just save it to put towards school. I must say I really enjoy painting. It takes you to another world, Basically, especially when you get lost, you just do something free-handed and the turnout is nice, it gives you a sense of accomplishment.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kayan.